When you search for the best infrared heating pads for back pain, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, but to truly find what works, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Red Light Therapy Heating Pad. The Red Light Therapy Infrared Light Therapy Pad caught my eye with its promise of deep tissue relief at just $50.59. If you want a portable heating solution for back pain, this is worth a serious look. This pad uses dual wavelengths of 660 nm and 850 nm to penetrate deep into your muscles. The fact that it's portable means you can take it anywhere, whether you're working from home or on the go. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual wavelengths help target pain more effectively than traditional pads. That means you could see real relief from discomfort that often lingers. Plus, with over 5,000 units sold in the past month, it seems many are finding this to be a helpful addition to their pain management routine. However, some buyers noted that the heating pad doesn't get as hot as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're sensitive to heat, this could actually be a positive. It allows for longer, more comfortable use without the risk of burns. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use pad for occasional back pain relief. Skip this one if you need something with more intense heat options or if you're looking for a larger pad. Now, if the portability of this pad matters to you, the next one takes a different approach by providing deeper, faster heat. Product number 2, Envarm Far Infrared Heating Pad. The Envarm Far Infrared Heating Pad stood out to me mostly for its impressive features and reasonable price of $60.70. If you want a heating pad that warms up in just 3 seconds, this is definitely worth a look. This pad uses dual graphene technology, which allows it to reach a max temperature of 160 degrees F and heat up super fast. With 8 adjustable heat settings, you can customize the warmth to suit your comfort level, and it even has a 4-hour auto shut-off feature for peace of mind. This matters because many people dealing with back pain need quick and effective relief. The far infrared rays penetrate deeply into your muscles and joints, which can help with everything from chronic pain to menstrual cramps. Plus, the soft plush fabric feels nice against the skin. However, a few users mentioned that the size of the pad may not cover larger areas effectively. But here's the thing. If you're focused on specific spots rather than needing full coverage, this could actually work in your favor. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient heating pad that warms up quickly and feels comfortable. Skip this if you need a larger pad or if you prefer a more traditional heating method. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a hands-free experience. Product number 3, Bob & Brad Weighted Heating Pad. The Bob & Brad Far Infrared Weighted Heating Pad is priced at $50.59 and immediately grabbed my attention with its hands-free design. If you're looking for convenience while you heal, this one's worth considering. This pad uses natural ceramic beads to emit far infrared waves that penetrate 3 inches deep into your muscles. That's ideal if you're dealing with sciatica or arthritis, as it provides targeted relief exactly where you need it. Plus, it has 6 heat settings for tailored comfort, so whether you need gentle warmth or something hotter, you can find the right fit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The hands-free design means you can move around while getting relief, which is great for busy parents or professionals who need to multitask. The 8.2-foot cord gives you freedom to use it anywhere in your home without being tethered to a wall. However, some users found it a bit heavy to wear for long periods. But honestly, that weight helps the pad stay in place and apply consistent pressure, which can actually enhance the effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you want a heating pad that gives you freedom to move while still providing relief. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter or if you don't need the weighted feature. Now, if you're intrigued by the idea of a pad that offers both moist heat and deep penetration, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Pure Enrichment Pure Relief Pro XL Heating Pad. The Pure Enrichment Pure Relief Pro XL Heating Pad caught my eye with its advanced infrared technology, all for $69.56. If you want something that promises to target pain deeply, this is definitely worth a closer look. This pad uses ceramic beads to emit far infrared heat that penetrates more effectively than traditional pads. It heats up in just 5 minutes and offers 4 heat settings, with a max temp of 140 degrees F. This is crucial when you want to quickly address muscle pain or stiffness without waiting around. Here's why this matters for you. The deep penetration helps with muscle recovery and pain relief, ideal if you're active or just need to unwind after a long day. The extra long size means it can cover larger areas like your back or abdomen, which many heating pads struggle with. Now, it does have an auto shut-off timer after 2 hours, which some might find too short. However, this is a safety feature to prevent overheating, so if you're planning to use it while napping, just set an alarm as a backup. This is perfect for you if you need deep heat therapy for larger muscle groups. Skip this one if you prefer something more portable or if you don't need the extra large coverage. Alright, we've covered a few great options. But the last one on our list offers a unique twist on convenience and functionalities. Product number 5. Bob & Brad Far Infrared Weighted Heating Pad. The Bob & Brad Far Infrared Weighted Heating Pad, priced at $63.23, is another fantastic option worth considering. If you want a reliable heating pad that combines deep heat with a weighted design, this is definitely worth a look. This model uses the same natural ceramic beads for far infrared heat and features an adjustable strap, making it easy to wear while you go about your day. It has 6 heat settings, allowing you to customize your experience, and the weighted design helps to anchor the heat exactly where you need it most, whether that's your back, neck, or even your knees. What's great about this is that the weighted feature not only provides heat but also applies gentle pressure, which can help with muscle tension. With a safety auto-off feature, you can use it with peace of mind, knowing you won't accidentally overheat it. However, similar to the previous model, some users mentioned it might feel heavy for prolonged use. But for many, that weight is beneficial, offering consistent warmth and support without having to hold it in place. This is perfect for you if you want a heating pad that delivers on both heat and comfort, all while allowing you to be hands-free. Skip this if you're after a lightweight option or if you prefer a non-weighted design. As we wrap up, each of these heating pads has unique features that cater to different needs. So really think about what will work best for you. So to recap, the red light therapy pad is great for portability. The Envarm pad heats up super fast. The Bob & Brad weighted pad offers hands-free comfort. The Pure Enrichment pad targets pain deeply. And the Bob & Brad Far Infrared weighted pad combines heat with gentle pressure. Each one has its strengths, so choose based on what you need for your back pain relief.